you doing? I see everybody coming in. Imagine me building a PC instead of buying it. Buying it? No, bro, no. We're gonna build a PC. We're gonna build a super fucking expensive PC. And I haven't built a PC in like 4 years, so I'm a little nervous. I'm gonna fucking mess it up. Yeah, I'm totally gonna mess it up. Fucking everybody has the dynamic Lian Li case. It looks cool. It's got a lot of windows. You can see inside of it and shit. Okay, so we got that guy. Get the new Ryzen 5900X. Well, I'm gonna have to learn how to overclock, but I was able to snag this on eBay. And then I got a 3080, the fucking one with PC. If you guys want to know the PC specs, you actually can just type in !specs and it'll all pop up, but I'm going through it right now. But got the 3080, it's gonna be a white one. What I don't like about this guy is it's got that like purple little ugly fucking side piece, so I bought some black tape to cover it up. I painted this, but I'm gonna use the Nzxt Kraken. I painted this white. It's actually outside right now drying, so we should see how that one goes. But got that guy. Got a 1000-watt PCU because I don't know. And I got this motherboard because it was recommended, and it's white, and I'm going for the white PC build. And that's it. No, I got 64 gigabytes of RAM because I Twitch stream, make YouTube videos, and like, you know, it'd be nice to have a lot. And what's cool is this one has like lights and shit. I've never had RAM with RGB lights. I'm excited. And then I bought a 2 terabyte M.2 that we're gonna try and put in. Bitch, you got bitches. Cool. Case. For me it's 5. Yeah, no, it's 3 o'clock. I should be able to build this before the sun sets, but if not, I'm just gonna try and build it before I go to bed. I remember last time I built my PC, it took me like 2 days, so hopefully I can build this one a little bit faster. You didn't wear anti-static gloves? Nobody fucking wears anti-static gloves! Nobody does. But I'm not sure if I should put the fans in before or after. No, I should put the power supply in here though. So that's what we're gonna do. Power supply. Now I can't find a fucking screw that wants to fit. That'll work. I haven't messed around with this case yet. I probably should have did that before going live just to figure out what the fuck I'm doing. But it's fine. As long as I don't break this glass piece, I should be fine. Which I'm gonna fucking take that out. If you would like to come off too, that'd be super cool. Because I don't want to read the instructions, but I probably should. I don't want to break it. I feel like with my other one, you just have the little twisty things, and it came right up. Oh. You lift up. Alright, I'm gonna go put this on my bed really quick. I'm gonna break it. I don't trust myself with this one either, so we're gonna go put this on my bed too. Thought I should just live stream it though, this whole thing, because then I could like take the footage and put it into a YouTube video. I found the instruction manual! Yeah! They don't give it to you right off the bat. Cool, PC, PSU installation. You go in there, alright? We got this thing. Somebody wanted me to move my camera angle down, which I can do. I can probably do. I can do this. Hi. Because I want a white build, so we're gonna use those later. Pretty fucking quickly. Zombies Cold War. Is it fun? I heard it's fun. You live on Mars? Dumb. Is that a 1000-watt power supply? Yes. Alright. Fan's gotta go facing out, so I'm gonna put it down here. You need to move. Or that's small, my mistake. Bitch, I got bitches. Pre-built's good. Pre-builts are good. I just enjoy building the PCs. I think it's you like it a little bit more. It's a little bit more personal. You can put whatever you want in it, and in most cases, it actually can be cheaper. PSU going inside with cables facing outwards. We're gonna put you right there. Okay, where are the screws? They didn't organize these at all. It's just a bag of fucking like 15 different types of small screws. Who would do this to somebody? Why? these different fucking screws, dude. They're different. And like, all in the same bag. I don't... Because my rent is expensive. Thank you for the sub. Real Breakpoint, thank you. Can I live with you? I live in a studio, so it might get a little, you know, tight, so no. But I love you anyway. Fans. You need something to power them. Yes, I know, it's just the power supply. But I was like, should I plug in all the cables now or later? Which I feel like everybody said later. But bought these white fans. Now the question is, how do I, because I'm going to put the radiator back here, I believe. Yeah, radiator here, so it's going to go 3 fans here, 3 fans here. And I believe I saw people put 3 fans here too. So 3. I'm feeling the screw doesn't seem long enough for fucking display count time thing. I don't know. It might go out is what I'm saying. Where'd you get your case? Newegg. It's a Lian Li Dynamix 011, I believe. It's the case that everybody fucking has. Ooh, all the horses are facing the right way. Okay, so what I mean about that is there's like little horse emblems here on the fucking computer. I wanted them to face the same way. But looks pretty good. Okay, we got those. Let's open another pack of fucking screwy screws. My bag. Or can that fit 2 power supplies? It actually can fit 2 power supplies, but I think what it's being used for right now is the hard drives. But you can take out that hard drive thing and put in 2 power supplies. But I don't know why the fuck you would need 2 power supplies. I wouldn't even know how that would work. I'd rather not. Who's like, dude? Oh fuck, I'm gonna have to buy Windows 10, aren't I? Because I didn't fucking download a USB beforehand. Oh well. What are you gonna do? I'll figure it. I think I have a USB somewhere. That would suck if I don't. I have a USB somewhere. I have to. I think so. I'm solid. I thought I was gonna have to like run to the goddamn store, and I did not want to run to the goddamn store. Okay, another one back here. I better see fucking emotes. Thanks for hanging out with me though, guys. I appreciate it. So I'm gonna have to plug in both operators. After I put this last fan in, I'm gonna take a quick intermission to go repaint the, do a second coat on the AIO, and then we'll come back and do the motherboard and CPU and GPU and all that bullshit. Sound good, guys? I'm back. Let's go. Okay. So I got some paint on my hands, but the thing looks pretty good. I hope it fucking turns on and works. I covered everything with like paint. But I'm gonna let that dry a little bit more. We're now gonna put the CPU and the motherboard, put the motherboard inside, and then hang the vertical GPU bracket because. Alright, everybody might make fun of me for wearing these gloves, but hey man, I don't want to fucking break this motherboard or the $1,000 CPU I just bought. So we're gonna put on some gloves. Anti-static gloves. Because I don't feel like frying this. As some people have said they've done. That's a nightmare. That would be a fucking nightmare. Like, what do you do in that scenario? You fry your motherboard? Can you bring it back to the company and be like, hey, I fried it? Or do you have to build a fucking another one? I don't feel like building another one. Alright, I've never put in a Ryzen CPU before. I feel like it'd be the same thing. Might be fucked. What the fuck? I just killed the whole thing. Imagine if this doesn't turn off because my screwdriver slipped out of my hand. Okay, now I gotta put the CPU in. And I might break it. Oh god. Okay, brackets up. This is a little bit different than the last one I did. The last one I did had a cover. This one doesn't have a cover. Is that just how Ryzen CPUs are? Okay, let's see what the triangles are. Guys, I don't see a triangle. My hair would get out of my way. It's on. That one flat. I'm gonna assume that that's the arrow, and hopefully I don't break it. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put this in right. I think. We can hope. What if I break it? Okay, it fell into place. I think we're good. Okay, I think we're good. Now I've got to put the pin back. I think you're in the right spot. Please don't break. Alright, got 64 gigabytes of Dominator Platinum RAM. It fit right into the little spot, and I was happy with it. The PC, I'm almost done. Congratulations, dude! That's huge. I'm very excited to post this. Dominator Platinum RAM. They're very fancy little case things. I have 4 sticks, so it doesn't really fucking matter, I guess. Gonna open up. This doesn't open up. Just a second. Clips on that side. Oh yeah, it goes this way. I figured it out. I think clip. It doesn't want to go in. I got it. 1 stick in. We're good. I think that's right. Oh, that's fine. 64 gigabytes of RAM. Holy, I know, but I edit a lot of YouTube videos and then I stream on Twitch as well, so I didn't want to buy 34 and then needed to upgrade in a couple of years. I kind of just wanted to future-proof this. Like, if you have the money, why the fuck not? I have the money thanks to you guys subscribing and donating and all the other stuff. And now that TikTok pays me too. Alright, you go in there, and then we're going to firmly. You gotta go in, bro. You gotta go in. one didn't click as easy, but it did go in. Okay. I don't need you. The RAM is cute. Thank you. I like it a lot. It's got like RGB lights right here, and it kind of reminded me of Star Wars with the block art lights. So I liked it a lot. God, it's so beautiful. I'm so fucking excited, dude. This is gonna look so good, especially when all the lights turn on. I hope I don't fuck it up. I texted my girlfriend before this. I was like, I'm nervous. She's like, why? I was like, because I haven't built a PC in like 4 years, and I'm building it in front of hundreds of people. Like, there's 820 people watching right now. And like, if I mess up, I messed up in front of like all those people. I don't know, I'm just nervous. Alright, RAM is in! Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, look, I should put the M.2 in now, huh? Storage. I got 2 terabytes of SSD, so this thing's gonna be a fucking beast. I'm probably gonna buy another storage in a minute. Not in a minute, probably in a couple weeks when I get paid again. Just to put another M.2 in here, just like more storage. But I thought 2 terabytes for now would be okay. Okay. Oh, that's so tiny. It's so cute. Look at that. Good drivers. My hands are shaking so much from this goddamn fucking energy drink. This before in high school. When I graduated high school, I bought myself a bunch of PC parts as a graduation gift to myself. So I've already built a computer before. But I majored in computer science. So like I'm really into this stuff, you guys. For those asking how I know how to do this. Okay, so that guy's gotta go in there. I don't want to break you, but I might. Do you come with, hold on. Hold the fuck on. You are supposed to come with a tiny screw. Where is your tiny screw? Alright, we are going to put you in. Not super up. Gotta be slightly down. Got it. We're not gonna break it. We're not gonna break it. But we might. And it went in! Oh, that felt good. Okay. Tiny. Yours. I really like my hair. I didn't think I was gonna like it, and then I ended up liking it. So if you want to cut your hair, man, I say fucking go for it. This way. Tiny screw. All this PC build is tiny screws. You know how to deal with tiny screws, then you can build a computer too. Ah! Shit. Maybe I can't deal with tiny screws. I also think that plate should keep it cold. She didn't get the reference. Please let me out of the basement. No! I just joined. Is this your new PC? Yes, we're putting it together right now. Okay, back plates. Let me see. Are you the one? I don't think you're the one. You're too big. Are you the one? You do look like the one. That looks correct. So we got this piece. I don't need you. I don't need you. More tiny screws. I've never put on a water cooler before. Imagine you throw a box and it's your monitor just like, ow, this shit. Okay, this piece needs to go on, but I don't know if this piece needs to go on at the back. I'm pretty sure it does, but I don't remember which way it went. Markiplier works for the Nzxt website. I'm not. Okay. I'm gonna lift lift you up. Never gonna hold you down. Never gonna turn around. Okay, got that in. Oh, yeah. No, don't stick to my glove. It's sticking to my glove. Ah. In. Got it. Okay, now we gotta put these guys over. Maybe? Question mark? How you guys doing? Is this fun to watch? Yeah! Really quickly, is if I see something that I'm like, oh, this might make an interesting video one day, I'll just screenshot it. And that's all I do. And I just screenshot shit all the fucking time. So my thing is full of screenshots. It already has the IO shield on it. How sick is that? Just a couple years ago, if you didn't put this IO shield in beforehand and then you put your motherboard in, you were fucked because you had to take it all out. This one came with it on already. How fucking fancy is that, guys? Holy shit. I'm mind blown. Why did they think of that before? I'm gonna move the camera really quick so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Okay. So you guys can kind of see it a little bit better now. Are you in place? You feel secure? You feel secure. Okay. Hey Austin, can you run another ad? I'm gonna take a quick intermission, really quick, and then we're gonna put the radiator inside. I just need to make sure that it's dry. So quick intermission, you guys. I'll be right back. And back. Hi. Hi. Okay. So I got the. I'm pretty sure it's dry, so we're okay. I just want to put these clothes back on before I start messing with shit again. But it looks dry. I think it's gonna look decent. So this is the Nzxt Kraken. I gotta take this tape off, but it came out pretty good. I think so. None of the shit paint looks too bad. I mean, if you get up close, you can probably notice some bad details, but like, for the most part, it looks good. I've taped the screen up too, so it should be fine. Now I just gotta undo all the tape and shit. Pretty good. Alright, now we gotta actually put this on. What are you guys saying? Do you know how to do water cooling? This is a water cooling. It's an AIO. Custom water cooling though, I have no fucking clue. I was too scared to do that, so I decided to do this instead. But from what I understand, you just have to bend a bunch of pipes and stuff. I didn't feel like doing that. Thank you guys for your help. Yeah, start with me. I've been following since 2018. You haven't been like following though. Like we met through fucking Fortnite. We played games before you knew I did like this YouTube shit, and you knew me when my old YouTube channel existed, the one that got deleted. Alright, fans are going on, you guys. We figured it out. Thank you. These fans. I'll put the radiator in. They're so close. I'm so mad. The paint kind of came off because I didn't wait long enough, but like it's small details. I think it looks fine. If I ever wanted to repaint it, I could. It's just this came off from rubbing on it. I could probably just get some fucking white out and color it back in, but it's not too bad. Okay, now I gotta put these little fucking shits. And I don't know what a mod is supposed to do. So if you think you're a bad mod, maybe. We have nothing to do, so you just watch Jayus build a PC for 2 hours. I mean, we're having a good time. That's tight. That's tight too. Okay, now we gotta secure this bullshit. Doing home stuff. I feel like I like the computer more, take care of it a little bit better. It means something, you know, like I put this together, I built my computer. It is a little tedious though, I'm not gonna lie. If you're not patient, if you don't like tiny screws, maybe you just buy one. Ooh, a 3080. I know, I'm so excited to put that in. Fuck you. In we go. Couple more. You guys wanna see what I'm doing? No, that didn't help you guys. Anyway. Oh, it looks a little cooler. Okay, we got 3 more tiny screws. Whew. Now I'm gonna put the fan back up here. That's cool that you remember how you started following me and like watching me. Do you guys remember like what video it was that you saw and made you follow? Because I feel like a lot of people, it was like psychology tricks. I feel like that's what made them follow. But it's been a while since I've done any one of those. I tried to move away from the psychology girl thing. Sadly, you don't. Put the GPU in now. There we go. So this is what it looks like so far. I'm leaving those two fans out for now just so I can do the power supply stuff. But I think it's GPU time. Gotta read that. Okay, this guy is gonna go. If we do the first one. Stop shaking, motherfucker. Go in. Go in. You want it, you gotta get it, I guess. It's this piece. This piece isn't going in far enough. Okay. Now it says Ryzen cable to the motherboard. Okay. I think that's incorrectly. We're gonna call it good. It's so pretty. And now I gotta put it in the computer, which means I gotta move you guys again. So stay. I think it's oh, that looks so good. Holy shit. Okay, so what I'm talking about is it's really heavy on this end here. So I think on this end, I need to get like something to hold it up just a little bit. But overall, that looks pretty fucking good. Oh shit, okay. Now, all that's left to do is plug everything in. So that's gonna suck. But I think we can do it. Ugh. We're gonna do a quick intermission, okay guys? So enjoy the intermission screen. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Hi, okay, so I'm saying, does anybody know how to start this cable management part? Like, do I plug the motherboard into, do I plug in the motherboard? Do I, okay, I genuinely have no idea what I'm supposed to do. So we really gotta try and take care of this cable management bullshit. And that's what it is, it's bullshit. 24 pins! That doesn't look like it. No. This is the big boy. We're plugging them in. Now! Got it. Okay, now this boy, I don't want to look at. I want this guy instead. So... motherboard guy's right there, so we're gonna go through this middle piece. Ow, it's cutting me. Oh boy. Bend them. I got it. We got one in. Okay, and then I can do the cable ties later. But this looks good. Zip tie. Oh boy, the zip tie's not big enough. Ah! Have you ever considered coming to Brazil? I want to. I want to travel the world, you know, once COVID's over. But yes, I have considered. In. Hi. JS can't be JS without a PC. Of course not. Imagine if someone did reverse. Dude, fuck that. No. Okay, 4 in here, and then 4 would come out. Okay, that works. This would be 4 in, and then I would plug 2. Okay, I figured it out. You in here. I got it. I had to use my teeth. Alright, it went in. We are good, I think. My biggest inspiration, that thing. I'm about to throw it away. Should I just break it off? I feel like I should just break that off. This guy. No lip. This 4x4 extender has a lip. They both do. Why would they make it like that? No, I gotta cut it off. Or just use the black one. But where's my Nzxt knife? I've made no progress on this. Yes, you are that expensive. Couldn't find you. Rolling away. Okay, we're gonna use my Nzxt knife. Cut off this stupid lip. Nice. Honestly, I might just say fuck it. Use the black ones. Fit. No, but it's coming off. We're good. We're good. It's coming off. And it hit me in the face. That should fit now. Just a little bit of modding. These things don't want to work the way they're supposed to work. As long as I'm not cutting into any wires or anything, we're good. It's just like a stupid piece of plastic. I don't think it's you. It is not you. Okay. It might be you, honestly. It might be you. I found it! I found it! It's this one. Oh shit. Okay, we're making progress. We're making progress. It was this cable. Alright, I need to now find the red one and the 2-pin. You look like the correct 2-pin. I think it's you. And there's another, this guy. Okay. Correct. If you've been here for almost 6 hours, can you tell me where I put the micro USB cable if you're paying attention? I don't know where I put it. Management. We got 2 SATA. We got a 3rd SATA. And there. Okay. Now, big boy. Big baby boy. This guy. Last time you've eaten or drinking something? I drank this, guy. We're almost done. We're so close. I'm not gonna stop to eat now. PC. Let me fucking to the back now. Jesus Christ. Maybe. Guys! Oh my god, it's turning on! Ah! Holy shit. Okay, we got it to work. We got it to work. Holy shit. Okay, fuck. That's upside down, but I can figure that out. It turned on. It turned on. Why the lights keep doing that? But Spider-Man. Oh god. I'm gonna put him there. Whenever. Wait, is there a stand with this thing? Or he just fucking stands on his own? His little bobbly head. Oh boy. Ah, that was fun. I'm gonna troubleshoot some of this stuff, and then tomorrow I'll go live, play some video games. How does that sound, you guys? That sounds good to me. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll update you guys tomorrow and on TikTok with all that stuff. But it did turn on. For those of you guys who missed it, here, watch this. It turns on. Oh, that feels so good. It turns on. So what I gotta figure out is the RGB strips. I have to redo the cooler and other than that, I think it's good. I'm gonna plug it into my monitor and start setting it up and getting my games downloaded.